Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. What if I told you that you can actually change multiple text elements at once in Premiere Pro? Yes, you can actually select multiple fonts and change all of them to the same font, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that in this short tutorial. First of all, you don't need to select the text element. Just go up to the main menu over here and select graphics and title and scroll down to replace fonts in project, and from this dialog box you can actually change the entire font on this project. As you can see, there are several fonts over here. I'm going to select the one I want to change. I could change all, but I'm going to select the Mirrored Pro Regular, and then I'm going to select the font I want to replace it with. So under this replacement font here, I'm going to select a drop down over here, and I'm going to change it to something different. Say I use Algerian over here and hit OK. And automatically you can see that that font has changed, and wherever I have that previous Mirrored Pro font on this project, it will be replaced with this Algerian fonts over here. And that's it guys on how to automatically change multiple text elements at once in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.